हाय दोस्तों, सभी को हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक। This is for Jharkhand e-pass creation. We have already pushed a video on how to get e-pass approval for Jharkhand. That was a pass where you have to approve and wait for some time. And this is also for e-pass for Jharkhand during lockdown. But this I will show you how to create or get instant pass. That means you can instantly download the pass. You don't need to wait for anything. But remember, this is for only essential purpose like medicine purchase, food purchase, some item you have to purchase and come back within 2 hours. Okay, I will show you how this can be done instant pass. At the end of the video I will also show you how to download your pass and use it. Now what you have to do is do it from computer, that is better than mobile. Open a Google search and search for e-pass Jharkhand and open this link. I will give this link in my video description also. And once the page loaded, as you can see here, for the first time user you have to register here. There is a register here button about login. You have to register for the first time. If you have not done it, please watch our previous video. Link is coming on top. Click there and watch it, how to register, how to fill the details, what are the things you have to fill online. Just watch it. Okay, after registration, pass creation, you can come back here and watch. Okay, now what you can do is, I have already registered, so I hope you have also registered seeing my previous video. Enter your mobile number, password and also the captcha shown. Okay, and click on login button. So you will be entering into the portal here. Okay, so friends, here by default आपको ये मिलता है completed if you have done all your profile work completely. Otherwise it will ask you for completion. You have to do that. Now for getting e-pass, if you are in mobile, right side on top here one 3-line button will come. You have to click there. If you are in computer, you will get left side like this, e-pass directly. Click on e-pass, click on apply for e-pass. Okay, इसमें first you आपको दो options मिलेगा, set approving district for e-pass and also type of e-pass. Approving district means in which district you are in now. In Jharkhand you can select that, or if you are coming from outside to Jharkhand, you can select the district where you are going. And this is the type of passes. We have 4 options. Let us see one by one. Going outside Jharkhand, if you click there, you can see here, this is the first option. Almost similar options will come whenever you select the different pass also. So in current address, you have to fill your current address in Jharkhand because you have selected going outside Jharkhand, but by default you are in Jharkhand. आपको एक current address fill करना होगा, Jharkhand का address. And next one, visiting state, where you are going, which district you are going to visit. Okay, suppose you are going to visit Chandigarh, you can select Chandigarh, and district in the state also you have to select. Now visiting address means you have to give your Chandigarh address in this case, so destination address. Now this is very important category, type of pass. Okay, many people get confused here. So PDS dealer, a lot of options are there. If you are having ration shop, first one you have to select, then owner of petrol pump, owner of so and so. You can see here whichever fits for you. Okay, person providing transportation logistic, you can select here. Okay, engaged in industry, construction, so accordingly you can select here. If you have some problem, please write to us. I will reply you which one you have to select properly. If you are owner of agriculture shop, you can select it. Okay, and this is very important for us now, buyer of permitted goods. Okay, I will explain you in detail later. So let us see all these options. If you are coming by air or train, you can select the last option. Okay friends, so now by default, let us see what are the difference. And there is another option, visit and return or one-way return, type of journey. Okay, you can, if you are one way going, just going, select one way. If you are going and coming, select two-way returns. Okay, so let me explain you. This is the most important here, buyer of permitted goods. That means you wanted to urgently go out and buy something, you have to select this. Okay, here after selecting this, you have to select the district. And you can see here, very important thing, time when you select, you get only 2 hours here. You see here, I selected 4 o'clock, automatically 6 came. When I select 5, automatically 7 came. That means if you wanted to permit or buy some essential items, आपको ये option select करना होगा, buyer of permitted goods, and आपको 2 hours मिलेगा for going and coming both together. Okay, but remember this pass is instant. You will get it instantly. You don't need to wait for any permission, because this we usually raise it in case of urgency. I wanted to urgently buy something, raise it. I will show you another option here. Suppose we are selecting person providing transport and logistics, because see I am providing some logistics, Amazon, some delivery and all. You have to select this option. You can see here there is no time limit. Okay, I selected 16th date, and as you can see here I can select time in and out. Okay, I can select anything, so I can get 5 to 11. See, 6 hours also I can select, but this pass requires approval. आपको wait करना होगा. Only when approved you can travel, because this is not an emergency. You are a transport guy and so date you want to transport something, and you are selecting the pass and time limit. Okay, so if you are coming back, air and trail option is there. If you are coming by any air or train, you can select the last option. Okay friends, so this way. Now type of vehicle also you got. See, date I have selected. Which one I selected? Owner of or employee of shop. You can see here, if you are an employee or owner of any shop, you wanted to go in the shop, you can see here I selected that option, owner, employee of shop, selling fruits, vegetables. Okay, and 2 dates I selected. You can see there is no time limit for this option. Okay, so only for buyer of permitted goods you have got 2 hours time limit, but it is an instant pass. You can use it in case of emergency. By default you get only 7 hours. Okay, remember that. There is a bug. If you change the options like the different option and come back, then you can change the time in here, but when you select the district, you can see automatically the time of buyer of permitted goods keeps changing for 2 hours. Okay, so don't try to manipulate this, your pass might get rejected. So after selecting all these things, you are going to approve, agree on the declaration. You have a lot of things like आपको mask wear करना होगा, or all the things you are approving. Click on approve all the things, click on agree. You can see here when I click on OK, go under visit pass. You can see here view your pass. You can see here I am under view pass, approved at district IC. So automatically my pass is approved because I had raised for 2 hours pass, auto approved. See here, and you can also click on view and see the pass details. Again you go under ePass, click on download ePass. You can see here details are there from when to when you have uploaded, and you click on download or view, you get the pass here. See here, the pass is already downloaded, and if you click downwards, you can see the digital signing approval here and all the details, and directly it is showing approved pass. That means you can carry this and travel for 2 hours only for essential purpose. So when you select only this option, you can get instant approval pass, but you can use it for medicine and other purpose, food items purchase and stuff. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you with another informative video.